When we are translating a sentence into algebra, the first recommendation I have is to look for the word is inside the sentence. So if we look at this problem, it says the product of 2 and the difference of a number and 12. This sentence does not contain the word is. If you take a look at this problem, though, it does contain the word is. But the problem that we're working on here does not have the word is. So what that tells us, if it has the word is, and then after the word is, there is no word following it, and there's just a number, we know that it means that we're going to need an equal sign. If there is an is and then a word that represents an inequality, so like less than, then we need one of these symbols. If the word is followed by a number that means, or a word that means greater than, we will need one of these symbols. So since the problem we're working on here does not have the word is, then there is not going to be one of these symbols. So what that's called is just an expression. So we will not have one of these symbols. Okay, so now we're going to translate it. It says the product. If you have a hard time remembering what product means, I look at the O and I fill it in like a multiplication dot. So product means multiply. So we're going to multiply, it says 2 and the difference of a number and 12. So it says the difference of a number and 12. So the difference means subtract. And it says a number, but we don't know what the number is. So we're going to use a variable. I'm going to go ahead and use n because number starts with n. So the difference of a number and 12. Well, it says that 2, it says, is being multiplied by that. So we need parentheses here, and then the 2 on the outside, because it says that the 2 needs to be multiplied by the difference, something that's being subtracted. Now, if instead we wrote our answer like this, then this means only the 2 is being multiplied to the n. It says that the 2 needs to be multiplied by the whole, by something that's being subtracted. So therefore it's wrong if we don't put the parentheses. And that would be our final answer. Now again, notice this is called an algebraic expression because there is not one of these symbols in our answer here. Whereas this problem here will need a symbol because it has the word is. And then since it has less than, we would need one of these. But our problem we were working on does not have that.